guys, David Ronson here. So for this blog, I want to talk a little bit about sheet files and sheet file templates. Uh, Sheet files are one of the more mundane things about a project. Um, the sectors are going to be the same on every floor. They're going to be in the same location. We're going to have the same grid bubbles. We're going to have the same match lines, things like that. So let's put together a template to make that part of our life a little bit easier. But since in this case we have 6 different sectors, we're going to need 6 different templates. Um, let's put all of those templates into one, so we only have one template to manage. And let's do that by using something called visibility states. I'm going to double click on this block and I'm going to hit OK. Right now you'll see that the visibility state that I have set current is A, and that's going to correlate with sector A. So right now I am showing the viewport and grid bubbles for sector A. And I can change this to any of my visibility states and you'll see it change. Okay. So let's create a new visibility state just so I can show you how this works. Let's make one just for the project map. We'll say project map and we'll hit OK and OK. So right now everything is visible with this visibility state set current. So what we want to do is make invisible everything that is not the project map. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight everything. Zoom in here to make sure it all looks good. Looks great. So I'm going to go ahead and hit close and save. I come back over here to my template and I'm going to have a new visibility state called project map and I can select on that. Also notice that I've drawn all of this in model space. I've not drawn this in paper space. And I've done that because I want to insert this as a block. I'm going to turn this back to A and I'm going to save it so these changes are reflected. And I'm going to create a new drawing, and this block does not already exist in this drawing. I'm going to insert as a block this template and hit OK. And because I created it at 0, 0 in model space, it'll come in at 0, 0 in paper space here as well. So when I select on this, you'll see how everything highlights. That's because we inserted it as a block. So we need to explode that block to get to the underlying information and sectors. So now that I've exploded it, I can select which sector I am interested in doing. And we'll say we're going to do sector B. Okay. And you'll see that the hatch changed over here on my project map as well. And I'm going to explode this one more time so I can activate the viewport. So now that I can activate the viewport, I can XREF in my grid, architectural backgrounds, and I can hit save. And this file is ready to go until coordination is done. And then we can start bringing in the piping, plumbing, and duct drawings so we can tie them down to grid lines. So I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to leave your comments or shoot me an email. Thanks.